Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make Dalitoy, a Konkani style dal that is super quick and simple to make as it requires only a handful of ingredients and gets ready in minutes, especially if you already have boiled dal. So let's get started, shall we? For making Dalitoy you need 1 cup of tur dal, 2 tablespoons ghee or coconut oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon hing or asafoetida powder, 2 green chillies, 15 curry leaves, 1.5 teaspoon of salt and water as required. To begin with, properly wash and rinse the dal and pressure cook it with fresh water till you get smooth, chunk-free boiled dal. I usually boil 1 cup of dal with 2.5 cups of water for about 3 to 4 whistles for this. Then in a pot, add the boiled dal, a little water to thin out the dal, salt, green chilies that have been slit in the center and give it a quick mix. And then heat the dal on medium flame till it comes to a boil. Meanwhile, in a tadka pan, heat up the ghee or oil and add in the mustard seeds. When they start crackling, add in the curry leaves and hing powder and give it a quick mix and roast for about 15 to 30 seconds till it's lightly roasted but ensuring not to burn the tadka. Then add this tadka to the dal, which should have come to a boil by now, and give it a quick mix. And there you have it, delicious Dalitoy ready to be served. Pair it with rice, papad and maybe a pickle on the side and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!